excited because the waves are pumping, but also we know that means it could be really it could be really difficult to get a car park. So I just really hope we are lucky. Hopefully someone's leaving right when we get there and we can just pull in and get a park, because once we do, it'll be an epic day. The waves are good and it looks really beautiful there. The kids are keen for a bit of a surf, aren't you, Marley? She's got a soft top board that she's been riding last 6 months. Solly's got his boogie board, hey mate? Yeah. Dan's driving. Yeah, so hopefully if you're seeing this video, it means we've got a car park and we had a fun session. I packed the GoPro and my little mini drone, so had to kind of decide between the surfing and the photography, but during summer I tend to love to surf, so but yeah, that photographer side of me wants to capture something and create something as well. So the GoPro is super fun, and just my mini little drone, and hopefully all the stars align and we get a bit of a car park and have an epic session. So we'll see how we go. Crowd is hectic, but waves look super fun. I just didn't feel safe up there, so I just moved down the point. Got a couple just tiny ones, but absolutely beautiful. I had fun flying the drone and doing some photos. I'll post some photography here. Yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, just showing a bit of how beautiful Byron is, but also how chaotic it can be when it's good and when it's a weekend. Alright, see you next.